Hey. I assume you're expecting me to say April Fools, right? Notice how I haven't said that yet. Okay, stay there. I need to do the dishes first. Okay, let's continue. Let's say this is you, or I guess in this case, this is me. And the water is all the creative ideas that you get every day of your life. They always keep flowing. No matter what you do, you will have an idea. I promise you that. Even if you think that, you have something to say. You have something to say. I have something to say. I always have something to say. I'm a professional yapper. That's what I do. Then how do you creatively get these ideas out there? Because if the ideas overflow, you explode. And you don't want to explode. In other words, me making stuff is a way to let loose steam, is a way to vent. But that doesn't mean that my ideas will always express themselves in the same mediums. What I'm saying is that not all my ideas are YouTube videos. And so freshman year, when I was new to NYU and I wasn't making as many films as I am now, I didn't have a lot of things to do. And so these ideas went into the YouTube bowl. A little into the YouTube, a little into the music, and like a little bit into the film. But nowadays, I'm working on an EP and a musical, which is a lot of stuff. And so the YouTube bowl, the stuff that would normally be going into the YouTube bowl, is now going into the music and film bowls. Do you get it? I will not stop making things. If you follow me on Instagram, you will see that I'm doing things. It's just not YouTube. And because YouTube to me is a completely different medium. There are specific stories that you can tell on YouTube that you can't tell in song or in traditional narrative films. And if the idea for one of those things happens to come around, then I will make that video. But right now, a lot of my creative output is put into making, an EP with Todd, Bruno, and Kate. Nice. And the other half of my brain right now is making a musical with Day. On the last line, Joan Hazel lock eyes. Hi, I'm Cal Galicia.
And I'm Daeyoung Kim.
And we're the co-directors of Quarter Speed, a musical short film. So yeah, I'm not quitting YouTube. I don't think YouTube is something that you can quit. Not something I could quit. Because quitting YouTube would be like saying I'm quitting coming up with ideas. It's literally impossible. Literally impossible. I have something to say all the time. I'm a yapper. That's what I do. But it does mean that right now I'm working on other stuff. So yeah, I got a musical coming out. If you have spare change and you want to donate to me and Day, because we are trying to fully fund this on our own, I will post that when it's out, and please consider it, but also just share the page around. It's pretty cool. It's about being an immigrant in a city and hating coffee. And 2, I got an EP coming out in May, which is pretty exciting. I will leave you with snippets of songs. And if you like them, you like them, and if you don't, you don't. I mean, you just deal with it. Bye, guys.
Connection lost. Should I wait to reestablish? How long do I stare at my phone's blue light, hoping for magic? Connection lost. Should I wait to reestablish? Is it so wrong to want to hear you speak to me in Spanish? Every story I tell, every note, every letter, I can't tell if I'm getting any better. Take me apart, take me away, take me anew. Wake me unhurt, wake me today, wake me up blue. I know that you've been waiting for someone to call the rain. I know that you've been praying to be born in yesterday. I could do it. But if you asked me to drive your car, I'd say, do you wanna lose it? Oh, I've never been in love before, and I'm nearly 21. How can I be a junior when it feels like school has just begun? So take me back to when